can't stop my mind. Let's cuss you out. Like a hush from a day. What's in my head? Told me to speak my mind.
Speak my mind.
And I wanted to shut you out.
When I wanted to shut you out.
Was trying to scream when I wanted to hold my feet. Sometimes I wish all the words you could see. Because the voice in my head says that.
Say so.
The voice in my head says that.
The
voice in my head says that.
Say so.
The voice in my head says, but it's bound to stop.
I'm going insane, the voices in my head telling me to misbehave. And everybody said in the dark, turn the curve and learn, I'm thinking kind of monitored. Trying to take my place with the king from the fruit, but I fight it. I control my own mind. The devil's never getting me, no matter what he tries, no matter what he says, no matter how he lies, no matter who he looks like, I see through the disguise. But the way I'm going is really getting harder. My tunnel's getting deeper, my vision getting darker. Playing on my mind, all the thoughts that I harbor. Trying to turn the sweet kid into another mama. Is it real? Tell me, is it in my mind? Can I push away the devil, put all these thoughts aside? Thinking every night, trying to make it right. I'm gonna look in the eyes, I'm on a break of pride.
Because the voice in my face